A beautiful journey for me to be working with Ram and with Puri sir and Sharmi and Vishu and everybody. बहुत मजा आया, लेकिन मैं इसकी तरह डांस नहीं कर सकता यार. I wish मैं कर सकता था, but really I really enjoyed every minute. And thank you everybody. Thank you for having me.
Quickly.
Before the song.
Yeah.
So this is the first song that we shot, and I think one of the first schedules that I shot with Baba. And Baba, you don't need to dance. When you just walk, there's a lot of kick that comes out of it. So I had a lot of fun working with him, but I'll continue that on stage. But this is a super fun song. It's called Big Bull, obviously. So yeah, I had a lot of fun, and yeah, enjoy the song.
Lovely. With your kind permission, shall we? Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes.
डबिंग हुआ था, आप हमारे लोकेशन पे आए थे. जब देखा, फिर इतने सालों के बाद अब देख रहा हूँ मैं आपको ये हमारे फिल्म में. और आपको देखते ही मेरी माँ की याद आ गई. क्यों बोले तो मेरी माँ 100 टाइम्स फिल्म देखा मदर इंडिया. कभी भी टीवी में अगर आ गया तो वो चैनल चेंज नहीं करती. अगर कोई भी चैनल चेंज किया तो उसको बहुत बड़ा गाली मिलेगा, बहुत बड़ा. अरे भाड़ खाओ क्यों रहे उसको ऐसे क्यों चेंज करा रहे हैं. तो आई बिलोंग्स टू आंध्र प्रदेश. आई स्टार्टेड माई करियर 1978. I acted 1250 movies. Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada and recently Nepali. मेरा भाई पूरी जगन्नाथ, हम लोग साथ में ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल से जर्नी कर रहे हैं. हम लोग हर फिल्म में एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर मेरे को चांस मिलता. तो ये फिल्म में इसको अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से लेके आया. सो अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से क्यों लेके आया अभी नहीं बोलता हूँ, 15 तारीख को बोलता हूँ.
Congratulations on this. You know, as we said, हम बात कर रहे थे गाने के रिस्पॉन्स की क्या होने वाला है. सीटियां तालियां बज गई. What do you have to say? First things first.
Thank you. Hello Mumbai. Hello everyone. बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि आज जो हमने इतने प्यार से एक पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस की है जिसका नाम है डबल स्मार्ट. 2019 में we were blessed with a huge blockbuster in Telugu. और आपकी कृपा है कि आज हम 5 लैंग्वेजेस में इसका सीक्वल डबल स्मार्ट आपके आगे लेकर आ रहे हैं. अगस्त 15 को हमारे साथ में और 3 पिक्चरें आ रही है. सारी पिक्चरें बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. तो थोड़ा थिएटर के लिए लफड़ा हो रहा है और नॉर्थ इंडिया में, लेकिन दैट आई विल लीव इट टू द एक्सपर्ट्स. अनिल थडानी जी एंड दुगल जी, दे विल हेल्प अस डू जस्टिस एंड आई होप वी हैव good run in North India also. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Just one quick question. You know, Puri sir, of course, he's a creative genius, but producer bhi to hai. So how many times do you have to like remind him of his producer wala duties ki please thoda thambo?
Honestly, Mr. Puri Jagannath, he deals with the alphabets and I deal with numbers. So we do not enter each other's zone at all. Even though he is well aware of everything, he is fantastic. He's a producer's director, but we have our own departments, and he's just amazing in what he does. I'm so thankful that he gives us that space.
Lovely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now, welcome, Kavya.
Thank you.
So good to see you, and you're looking as ravishing as ever, I would say.
Thank you. Shout out to my team for that.
Being here, standing over here, right in front of this team, when Baba is here, Ustad is here, you know, working with them on this project that's really close to Puri sir's heart and of course Charmi ma'am's heart. What do you have to say? Puri journey ke baare mein.
First of all, hello Mumbai. This is the first ever Telugu film that I'm promoting in my hometown. So I'm feeling very, very blessed at this moment. Secondly, I think I am currently... मुझे ऐसा लगता है इस वक्त तो मैं एक सपने में हूँ. जो सपना मैंने बचपन से मैं देखती आई हूँ. तो पहली बात तो एज एंड व्हेन आई ग्रू अप मैंने संजय सर की इतनी सारी फिल्म्स देखी. तो टू से द लीस्ट व्हेन आई लुक्ड एट हिम आई वाज ब्लैंक्ड. और उनका सिर्फ एक गाना मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा था, वो रात अपन 2 बजे तक पिया। तो जब मैंने उनको देखा मेरे दिमाग में यही चल रहा था, मैं और कुछ आया ही नहीं। आई वाज सो dumbfounded at that moment. तो डेफिनेटली मैं उनके साथ मैंने स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर किया। आई एम ट्रेम्बलिंग while saying this because it's such a huge dream for me that I am living currently. And thank you Sanjay sir, you were a blessing and हमने पंजाबी में बात की and he made me very comfortable. So thank you and it is definitely a blessing कि मैंने आपके साथ screen space share किया. Secondly, Ram, you are by far, I'm saying this out and loud, by far the best co-star I've worked with.
Wow.
And I have found a great friend in you. And thank you for everything. No, वही हो रहा है।
क्या लफड़ा भाई।
हे राम, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। बट नहीं, जेन्युइनली को-स्टार के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग ऑन सेट जो होती है, बट वो इतना केयरिंग को-स्टार है कि ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ मार मंथा मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब हो गई थी एंड एवरीबडी इज लाइक अब आप क्या खाओगे, बिकॉज इट वाज अ स्टमक इन्फेक्शन। सो मैंने सिर्फ बोला स्पिनच सूप एंड दैट डे इटसेल्फ, और आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट डे उन्होंने अपनी मम्मा से होम मेड स्पिनच सूप बनवाया मेरे लिए एंड I'll forever be grateful for that. I think such little things show the kind of a person he is, and he's hilarious also as a person. So thank you for being you. All the best and hope we work a lot in the future. Now I'm going to get a little emotional because I'm going to speak of Charmi ma'am. She is truly a boss lady and an inspirational woman, and I have hats off to you. आपके चरण स्पर्श करना चाहे। She should be the charan sparsh Charmi. That's what she is, because I really look up to her. She is a go-getter and she will do anything for her work, and that's an inspiration for me. And not only that, she's an extremely nurturing, caring, loving person. And I know, again, same day when I was sick, how she took care of me, I can never forget. Usually I always say कि I'm a director's actor, but I am a producer's actor too now. I want to be at least.
Thank you.
So thank you for always doing everything for me. I love you, sir, for seeing Jannat in me and giving me an opportunity to be double Ismat. Just a small story. I had auditioned for Ismat Shankar, but at that time things didn't work out. Because double Ismat had to happen to me, and thank you for giving me this double power pack mass masala entertaining film. Thank you sir, love you.
Thank you so much, जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं एक बार। As you said, आसान थी या difficult था संजू बाबा को convince करना to be a part of this film? Sorry? Was it like easy or?
Difficult thing is getting his dates.
Okay.
And he had 7 films lined up.
That's why I call her the
7
go-getter
films
also.
lined up.
Oh, that's an announcement.
That time,
That's like
yeah.
breaking news right now.
We thought of him, he signed 7 movies. He said no dates and all, so we were worried and finally got his dates. And I'm a big fan of Sanju Baba and 4 decades experience, a versatile actor. He played all kind of roles.
Yes.
Thank you for doing this film, sir. Love you, sir.
Thank you so much.
We are
Please.
happy we are launching him. It is his debutant film in Telugu. So we have the privilege of launching him in Telugu.
And if I may, Charmi ma'am, if I may, I've heard this is like the most expensive Telugu debut for someone, is it?
Woo!
She's not commenting on that. Ladies and gentlemen,
We have a superstar debuting.
of course, OG superstar of the Indian film industry, Sanju Baba. Before I invite him on stage, ladies and gentlemen, we have to give it up. Zordar Thalia. We can do better. We can make some more noise.
Lovely. They'll probably cheer if I come on YouTube.
Yeah, we loved you over there. Of course, first pan-Indian film. Officially, can we say that?
Yeah.
और यहाँ पे ये धमाका होने जा रहा है. Talk to us about it. Everything.
Hi, good afternoon, Mumbai. Thank you all for being here first. And where we didn't realize that a lot of North Indian people were watching a lot of South films. And we had such loyal people who've been constantly asking us to release the film because they used to wait for a year or so. And now finally, this entire pan-India thing came about, and we were able to release it on the same day as well. And especially a film like Ishmat Shankar. So most of the film has been shot in Mumbai. Double Ishmat has been shot in Mumbai. So I was lucky to have witnessed the Ishmat Shankar madness here as well. You know, the smallest of things, like when I used to go to shoot, I used to come across people on the road and all of that, and everyone used to keep, you know, screaming Shankar and all of that. So very glad that we're able to release this film simultaneously up north as well. And yeah, like I say, this character is all about mental mass madness. So one small disclaimer, I do not endorse him. So he's, in case you want to follow him, if you get inspired and follow him, I'm pretty sure that within half an hour you'll be in jail. So please don't. He's just to be enjoyed and entertained. Watch him on screen and leave him there. So he's really mental. And I love the way Puri sir has written this character for me. And it's always an experience for an actor, you know, something that you can't even think of doing in reality. You're playing it on screen. And yeah, I enjoyed playing it a lot. And down south, the people also have enjoyed the first part so much, and they've made it a huge hit. And now we're coming with Double Ishmat, with double the energy and double the everything.
Yes!
And yeah, we're pretty excited. And the highlight is, I think, Baba. You know, Puri sir, when he first narrated the script, we couldn't think of anyone else but you. But again, you were like, Charmi told me that you signed 7 films. But again, her being her, she flew to Dubai, and I don't know how she managed to get your dates, but I just watched the film recently and I can't imagine anyone else but you. And I wouldn't call this a debut, but because you're already a superstar everywhere.
A superstar in Telugu.
And it's an honor working with you, and it's an even bigger honor getting to know you. Because I keep saying, me and Puri sir keep discussing, you know, when you're performing or just sitting there, we're like, you know, what didn't this man experience in life? You know, you're like a silent saint, but you're a sweetheart. Thank you for pampering us. And it's an honor working with you. And yeah, about Ishmat Shankar and Puri sir. You know, we see heroes with attitude. I think he's the one who's introduced attitude, you know, the word attitude to heroes all over India. I think it started down south there. And, you know, the cool attitude, like earlier before him, I think when heroes had to show attitude, they had to stand like that. But now after Puri sir came, you know, this entire coolness came about, and he's a complete trendsetter. Yeah, complete swag. And sir, it's always an honor working with you. And yeah. Thank you for writing this character and this madness. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Big Bull!
Big Bull!
बाबा के लिए तालियां हो जाए यार एक बार जोरदार हल्ला बनता है बाबा एवरी टाइम वी सी यू वो एक अलग ही बात हो जाती है यहाँ पे इस अवतार में आप आए हैं टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस टीम एंड ऑफ कोर्स अबाउट बिग बुल
नमस्ते कैसे सब लोग मस्त है ना तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं जो पूरी सर और शार्मी और सब बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे पास 7 पिक्चर है और डेट नहीं मिली पूरी सर हम लोग सब फैन हैं इनके एंड लाइक हाउ राम सेड दैट यू नो he kind of changed cinema and Telugu. He created that swag, that coolness and everything. And I want to thank Puri sir for letting me be part of Double Ishmat Shankar and making me Big Bull. Thank you sir. Charmi.
Sir ji.
मैंने बहुत परेशान किया है.
Sir ji, sorry.
ऐसे दिन पंजाबी के परेशान बहुत किया है यार लेकिन आई थिंक दैट्स द रीजन दैट दिस प्रोडक्ट कुड कम अबाउट इज योर परसिस्टेंस योर फोकस थैंक यू फॉर लेटिंग मी बी अराउंड
सर जी थैंक यू जी
और पंजाबी कुड़ी है कि शी इज डन ग्रेट जॉब एंड शी इज लुकिंग सो गुड और इसको एक चीज है इसको कुछ मार वार हमेशा पूछो तो मार ही लगता रहता है इसको यार
सर मार मुंता छोड़ चिंता
अब मैं पूछा अभी कुछ हुआ क्या, बोले हाँ कुछ यहाँ पे लग गया। ख्याल रखो अपना यार, काम करो। विशु, थैंक्स, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर। एंड इसको मैं एक पिक्चर दे रहा हूँ, सो इंस्पिरेशन फॉर यू टू लूज सम वेट, यू नो।
प्रोडक्शन के इश्यूज की वजह से बेचारा मोटा हो गया।
राम, यू नो, इतना मजा आया इसके साथ काम करके। अभी तो चूजा लग रहा है, लेकिन उस टाइम वो डबल स्मार्ट में मस्त लग रहा था। लेकिन अभी एकदम अच्छा लग रहा है, यंग लग रहा है, छोकरा लग रहा है, छोटा सा। एंड इट वॉज अ प्लेजर, इट वॉज एन ऑनर वर्किंग विद हिम, लाइक अ यंगर ब्रदर टू मी। And he's a good performer, he's a very hard worker, and we had a lot of fun while doing this film in Bangkok और यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह हम लोग ने मस्ती भी थोड़ी बहुत की। I hope आप सब लोगों को ये पिक्चर अच्छी लगेगी and आपको मतलब you'll enjoy the film. I want to thank everybody again, and Bhabhi is there, and Bhabhi, thank you so much.
Sangeeta.
Thank you Bhabhi. And बस अपन के पास और कुछ भी नहीं बोलने के लिए। थैंक यू,
थैंक यू बाबा, जोरदार तालियां बाबा के लिए। ऑफ कोर्स बिफोर गया है सब कुछ, यू नो, बॉक्स ऑफिस की रेंज जो है वो अनलिमिटेड हो गई है, तो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से ऑन दैट?
हेलो,
Check. Generally don't comment on box office, but as an actor, what I like is it's being shared with a lot more people. You know, you can share your content with a lot more people. And yeah, Bahubali definitely opened gates up north and everywhere. And and this film is even more special because everyone has already loved the first part. So I'm sure a lot of people are looking forward to it, and pretty excited.
Okay, any one actor from the Hindi film industry apart from Sanju Baba जिनके साथ आपको काम करने का मन है?
काम करने का a lot of people,
right?
But I really like Ranbir Kapoor also.
Right.
He also played Sanju.
Right.
There's a connection there again.
Right. Cool. Thank you so much for sharing that. Sanju Baba, this one's for you. Rahul from the Filmy Charcha wants to know, एक टाइम था जब आप रोमांटिक फिल्में करते थे, अभी आपके सारे फ्रेंड्स वो रोमांटिक भी कर रहे हैं, एक्शन भी कर रहे हैं, क्या फैंस आपको वापस रोमांस करते हुए देख पाएंगे आने वाले समय में, या यही जो एक अलग बोल्ड अवतार आ गया है?
अभी रोमांस, अभी आप क्या बोलते हो? लेकिन
आप कुछ भी करो, हम आएंगे, सीटी बजाएंगे, ताली बजाएंगे।
हाँ, रोमांस भी कर लें अगर कोई अच्छी पिक्चर है, लेकिन हमें अपना जो जनरेशन है यार, वो मास के लिए काम करता था, तो हम लोग मासी हीरो है। अपन साजन कर लिया था एक टाइम, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर थी, गाने अच्छे थे यार। एक और कर लेंगे साजन।
चलो भाई, ये भी एक और अनाउंसमेंट हो गया यहाँ पे। मिथुल फ्रॉम टेली चक्कर वांट्स टू नो व्हाट अट्रैक्ट्स यू सो मच टू द साउथ इंडियन फिल्म्स. दिस इज योर थर्ड प्रोजेक्ट एंड इट्स अगेन अ नेगेटिव लीड. सो व्हाट इज इट दैट
आई डोंट नो. आई थिंक मुझे भी एक इट्स अ चैलेंज फॉर मी आल्सो, यू नो, टू बी इन अ साउथ फिल्म, एंड नेगेटिव इज अ गुड स्पेस टू बी इन. बहुत कुछ करने को मिलता है, मारने को मिलता है, मार खाने को मिलता है. अब रेप कट गया, लेकिन वो लेकिन इट्स गुड, यू नो. आई मीन एटलीस्ट देयर इज अ लिटिल समथिंग टू डू फॉर एन एक्टर, you know, after doing so many films.
Right. Thank you so much. Kavya, this one's for you. Rohit from Filmy Charcha wants to know, do you have any aspirations to work in a Bollywood film?
Yeah, I don't confine myself to one specific industry. I think I'm very open-minded as an actor. And if I like the script and I can justify the role, then I'd definitely do it.
Any favorite Hindi film actors? ऐसा पूछना चाहते हो?
Many, but I guess for me also Ranbir Kapoor after Animal has been like a
right.
top favorite.
Right. Charmi ma'am, this one's for you. Naveen from 24. मुझे लगा age लिखी हुई है, Naveen 24. what according to you makes a pan-Indian film a hit, and what more films are lined up ahead for Puri Connects?
Hello everyone again. So it's not about pan-India or South or Bollywood or English or Russian. I think Puri sir always says that local is global and content is king. And people are appreciating. It's so good to see people are appreciating good cinema, fun cinema, entertainment, masala. At the same time, there's amazing content, different genres. So I think it's we should not have those kind of boundaries.
Right.
And just enjoy cinema. And हमारी picture तो एकदम गली cinema है, गली picture है, and city mar picture hai. So I hope people enjoy this also on August 15th.
I'm sure. Second last question. Puri sir, this one's for you. Lipika ji wants to know, do you think now Rambhai is the new item boy of the industry?
Definitely.
What is item boy?
Sorry?
What is item boy?
Lipika ji, would you like to throw some light?
You danced so well, Ram, so I asked this question. Would we tag you as an item boy of Bollywood now?
Ma'am, I remember meeting you.
Yes.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
वो मुलाकात, no, sorry.
Yeah, please. Sir, मुझे अपन item boy.
Okay, one last question to everyone, and this is life में कब double smart बनने का try किया है? Namita wants to know. Have you sir tried ऐसा life में double smart बनने का कुछ किया हो?
हर इंसान को रहता है वो. हाँ.
When was the last time and what did you do?
बहुत किया है. कितना बोलूं? 45 years हो गया.
और बन ही रहा हूँ तब से. For you, Chami ma'am.
What is that?
Double smart बनने का try किया कभी?
ये जो जब भी उनका चिप को प्रॉब्लम आता है, होता है, मेरा दिन भर होता रहता है. तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है. मैं इधर होती हूँ, उधर भी होती हूँ.
और बड़े खूबसूरती से करती हो ये काम. Puri sir, for you, double smart. What is double smart? और आपने कभी try किया ऐसा बनने का?
नहीं, I never tried, but I write.
But as Rambhai said,
Yeah.
you brought that attitude in the
Yeah,
industry.
yeah.
आप तो खुद में हो sir. Sanju Baba, for you, double smart बनने का आखिरी बार कभी try किया था?
मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, लेकिन
You are asking him.
मैं बोल रहा था मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, 100 स्मार्ट शंकर है. बट आई लव इट. मैं डबल स्मार्ट
Right.
मस्त है.
Right. Ustad, for you.
Yeah, just played, no?
No, in real life.
In real life also.
Kavya?
I think for me, I'm going to first try to be smart and then double it.
बढ़िया. ये
No,
best है.
I am too naive first. I can be a little too innocent in that sense. So first पहले smart बनेंगे, फिर double smart.
Chronology को समझिए.
She
और
just got
चलिए.
scammed the other day, so.
Yeah, I did get
That drama.
scammed the other day. So.
Right. All right. 15th August. Give it up for Sanju Baba, ladies and gentlemen, and